Yabona okwehlela omude nomfishane kuyamehlela. Kune video la etrendayo involve inceku nencekukazi yenkosi zizithokozisa ngokucansi bume nje. Welika ngiyena umuntu okhonze ukuphawula kakhulu kuma hypes nento ethinta iningi but ke ngithi ke angizwakalisi ilaka lami ngoba sisezweni sakhile kuthiwani. Welike nakho kumele ukuthi ukwazi leyanto it has nothing to do with church. Church is just something eyenza ukuthi sibe ne wu but leyanto it all has to do with a human brain, how the human brain operates, because now uyazi ukuthi kunezakhe izinto ezixakile owazi kahle ukuthi you shouldn't be doing them but you keep on doing them. The question is why? The very same thing iyenzakalile lapha ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha othi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho sisuka khona futhi kukude lapho siya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Ingqondo yomuntu ke kunento ekuthiwa i-limbic brain, kunento ekuthiwa i-primary brain noma i-reptilian brain, bese kuba khona i-neocortex yabo. Kuhlukana ama stages nje awu-3 yabo. So i-limbic brain is an emotional brain yabo. So nakho ke ngifuna ukuthi ukunote lapha kule scene your dopamine they are involved, oxytocin is involved, serotonin is involved. I-dopamine i-hormone eyenza ukuthi ulangazelele something, i-motivation hormone yabo. Yet i-serotonin yenza ukuthi ukwazi ukufila ini i-pleasure. It is a mood hormone yabo, dila nama mood. Bese ukuthi i-serotonin it's a love hormone yabo and affection. So njengoba ubonayo, njengoba ungizwa ngikhuluma lezi zinto lezi, these are neurotransmitters and biochemicals. So uma ngabe kukhona i-biochemical imbalance eyenzakala emzimbeni wakho, ubehave ngendlela ethile yabo, until umzimba wakho ubuyele kwi-homeostasis. Sonke la sihlulwa ingqondo la emhlabeni, sonke la we are emotional beings la emhlabeni yabo. Lana kunabantu abenza izinto in private abangafuni ukuthi zize zivele ebantwini, bayazenza bayazazi zikubona, and they are working tirelessly to deal with